Welcome to From the Garden, where we share tips and techniques to make your garden more successful. So let's learn more so we can grow more. There are important rules to follow when you are in the garden. These rules will keep you and others safe. Be smart with your tools. Carry tools with sharp edges pointing down when you walk. Never run with a tool. Walk this way. Leave tools pointed down so the garden can be easily navigated. When walking, be mindful of where tools and other people are. Protect your toes. Wear closed-toe shoes in the garden. Never wear sandals. Perfect fit. Use tools that fit your size. You can hurt yourself if you use tools that are too big or too small for you. Which shovel would you use? Keep it clean. Keep metal tools clean by washing them off after each use and putting them away. If you don't, they'll get rusty like this one. The LSU Ag Center offers SNAP-Ed nutrition education programs. For more information on SNAP-Ed programs near you, contact Jessica Randazza with the LSU Ag Center in St. Mary and St. Martin parishes.